Lawyers delivered their closing arguments today in the murder case against Hailey Dandurand.
Dandurand is charged in the 2017 killing of Thelma Boinville.
KITV4's Robert Buon was there as both sides wrapped up their cases. Robert.
Mika, if we wanted to boil it down to one point to what this case hinges on, it would probably come down to who you believe. The state presenting evidence to the effect that Hailey Dandurand was at least an accomplice in this killing, while the defense, they purported a theory that her involvement wasn't her idea. At Circuit Court today, Judge Rowena Somerville presided over closing arguments in the murder trial of Hailey Dandurand. In the case for the state, prosecutor Scott Bell's focus portrayed the character of Dandurand as unreliable and untrustworthy.
In her petition for an order of protection, she wrote very clearly, on December 7, 2017, Brown repeatedly punched her to the face at least 5 times with a balled fist, full force. Now you know why I referred the defendant to her own photograph taken at the Waihewa Police Station on December 7, 2017. She was arrested at the town center of Mililani and taken to the Waihewa Police Station for processing. On cross-examination, she admitted that she was uninjured and was not taken to Waihewa General Hospital for any medical treatment.
Defense attorney Barry Soalo did not try to claim Dandurand wasn't involved, rather that she feared for her own life from the already convicted former boyfriend Stephen Brown, and that she was a reluctant participant who had no choice.
With that state of mind, self-preservation, comply, I live. Comply, I live. Minute by minute, hour by hour. Comply and live. Don't comply and die. That's what the choice of evils defense is, that Mr. Bell talked to you about already. You're presented with 2 evils.
The state made the case that not only was the testimony for Dandurand flimsy, Bell reminded the jury that there was no one to corroborate her story.
There is no reason for you to accept as true her version of events. And so to the extent that the defense was trying to beat the drumbeat of uncontroverted evidence, meaning there's no contradiction, keep in mind, the only other people who could know what happened, one has passed away, and the one has already been dealt with on another occasion.
The jury started their deliberation around 3 o'clock this afternoon. They'll continue their review at 9 a.m. on Monday morning. Robert Buon, KITV4 Island News.